expressway is wide open either way. No express lanes, they are closed through the overnight hours for maintenance. On the Eisenhower, a heavy delay still inbound from Chamber and Interchange. A 2-minute delay coming in, 31 from Route 390 and 18 in from Manheim. The outbound side of the Ike is moving well, so is the Stevenson to and from 355. The Dan Ryan looks great on either side between 95th and downtown. Also clear road on I-57 to and from I-80. The Bishop Ford Freeway is moving along fine back and forth between the Dan Ryan and 8094. Lakeshore Drive looks good. On the Illinois tollways, the Tri-State has some roadwork set up northbound around the Stevenson. Some delays there. The 2 right lanes are closed. The Jane Addams Tollway, I-90, that's fine. The Reagan Tollway, you have some roadwork near Orchard on both sides. The other tollways are moving along with no incidents, and I-80 looks really good through Joliet on either side. 8094, 65, the Indiana Toll Road, all clear. In the Chatham neighborhood, 79 is heavy near the Dan Ryan due to police activity. Your next traffic report, 848 News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
The WBBM Exergen AccuWeather forecast, quite mild tonight as it will stay breezy. We'll turn out mainly cloudy with a shower in spots late, especially north and west of the city, low 55. Mostly cloudy, windy, and warm tomorrow with a shower or two around, especially in the morning, high 64. Breezy and mild tomorrow night with some showers late, low 55. Rainy to start on Thursday, otherwise cloudy and mild, high near 60. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Brian Thompson on Chicago's weather station, News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
Mostly cloudy right now, 61 degrees at O'Hare and Midway, 60 at the lake. Winds right now out of the south at 13 miles per hour. Wall Street today, Dow gained 30 points, the NASDAQ rose 465, and the S&P 500 added 54 points. And the Newswatch continues at 8:40 with the CDC. We'll be keeping an eye on things to see if guidelines released yesterday have an impact on coronavirus spread.
Now that the CDC has given long-awaited guidelines for people who have been vaccinated, West Palm Beach, Florida granddad Leonard Wagelstein says he plans to take a drive to see his granddaughter.
We'll still wear a mask because, she's a teacher. She's exposed to a lot of children and other people. So we'll still wear our mask, but we'll still go visit her. I don't know if we'll hug her. I probably will.
But his wife won't, which makes sense to Dr. Graham Snyder. He's with the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center.
It's a wonderful thing that we have these vaccines and that they are safe and effective, but we can't assume that vaccination will keep our communities 100% safe, particularly those who are vulnerable.
And Graham adds the CDC is smart to take small steps and see if it has an impact on transmission. I'm Shelley Adler.
Buckingham Palace has issued its first statement on the explosive TV interview featuring Prince Harry and Meghan Markle.
Long and coming short on specifics, that's about the best way you could describe the brief statement issued by the royal family. It says the allegations made by Prince Harry and Meghan Markle of racism among some in the royal clan are concerning, but as for there being a public reckoning about those attitudes, the statement says any discussion about the racial climate among members of the royal family will be addressed privately. In the interview that aired in the U.S. on Sunday, Meghan Markle said a member of the royal family raised concerns about how dark her son's skin might be. I'm Oscar Wells Gabriel.
Top trending stories coming up. It's 8:42.
Need a new truck? Tax time is new vehicle savings time during Ram Truck Month at Riverfront Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. Huge discounts, low financing, lease specials at Riverfront in North Aurora and buy at riverfront.com.
My name is Chad Rogers. 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. Today, countless cancer survivors like me face another challenge, keeping our follow-up appointments while managing our fears of COVID-19. But don't let fear stop you. I learned what doctors' offices, hospitals, and clinics are doing, so I can feel confident going back in for visits. I've made my follow-up appointments and kept it. You can too. Call your doctor to learn what steps they are taking and visit getcancerscreenings.com to learn more. Cancer screening, get it done. Brought to you by Pfizer. This is Chief Savings Officer Brian Wicker. I took a call from an attorney looking to refi her condo for the first time. She'd already talked to her mortgage servicer, a big bank whose name rhymes with Schmace, but she felt the closing costs seemed high. Thus the call to AccuNet on the recommendation of a coworker. Without knowing what the big bank was offering, I quoted the same rate, but with no points and no loan costs whatsoever. When I talk about rolling closing costs into the new loan amount, but AccuNet actually paying the loan costs, she literally could not believe it at first because it was only then she revealed Schmace wanted $6,400 for exactly the same rate. Good thing she trusted her instincts. Hey, don't light your hard-earned money on fire by lazily and crazily just going with your bank. Or worse yet, the mortgage guys with the rocket. Whether you're looking to refi or to buy, click on the blue button today at AccuNet.com. Your satisfaction by MortgageSat. That's ACCUNET.com.
Where is an amazing organization that nobody wants to leave?
It's called Bounce.
Bounce is the best organization for families like ours.
Families with a chronically ill child.
Bounce is a free organization
With events specially designed to include kids with complex medical needs.
Holiday parties,
Theaters,
family adventures,
movies.
sporting events. Maybe you want to join as a volunteer.
or a donor.
And if you have a child like ours,
Join our big bouncy family. Click BounceChildren'sFoundation.org.
you're late for work and still have to drop off the kids at school. You jump in your car, hit the garage door remote, and nothing happens. Now what?
Green Tea Services, service to us.
Hi, it's Tonya Cooley from my family business, Green Tea Services. Right now, we have a garage door maintenance special. Our trained technicians come out and adjust the springs, check the cables, inspect the rollers, tighten hinges, and give your door and opener a complete lubrication. All for just $47.
Service to us.
This time of year, garage doors tend to fail. Don't get stuck in or out of your garage. Call for a $47 garage